Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the battery on the Jaguar 2018 XE Sport model. In fact, most of the new Jags have the same kind of mechanism, so this should work for almost all the Jags. So the first thing you do is you're going to flick the silver part off of the fob. You'll have the key in here, which you pull out. This is for when the battery is totally dead and you want to manually open the car. I'll show that in the next section. So what you do here is you put the key in the little slot you have over here. You see that little slot over there? So put the key in there and then just open up the compartment here. So just push down until it pops. Once it's popped, just open it and then you'll see the battery there that you need to replace. So just pop that out. Okay, once you've popped the battery out, the battery is a CR2032 battery. Once you have the new one, get the fob, place it back in there till it pops in and it's secure, like so. Pop this back on, just line it up and then just push down. And you see it will click into place. Then get the manual key, which goes in. Now you don't want it to go in all the way, you want it to go in just a little bit, and I'll explain in a minute. Because next bit is to put this back on. If you have it go all the way, you won't be able to put this back on. So as you can see, I've pushed it in and then pop. Now it's that back on. And there you go, the new battery's in and you can go and use your Jag. Easy as that. So the next part I'm going to show you is how to use the manual key if your fob's battery is totally dead. What you're going to do is open this up to 90 degrees like this. And now we're going to go over to the car and show you how to open the car up. Right, now we're outside on the car. If you go down, you'll notice there's a little gap over here. Get the key and just pry off a little part of your car. So put the key in there and just pop this out. Once that piece is out, then you open the car. And if the alarm goes off, you're going to have to quickly start the car and then eventually it will turn off. Okay, once you're in the car, if you look on the side of your steering wheel, so there's a steering wheel, and you go here, this part here, if you have a small amount of battery power left in the car, in the fob, you actually place the fob right next to this, and then you press the start button. If that doesn't work, then you're going to have to either get a new battery or call roadside assistance. So I'm going to try and do this with my knee. So put the fob there, and while the fob is right next to that pattern, there, and the car starts. Okay,